Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need to stop the sound now, so first disconnect the Airpods from your phone. Open Bluetooth and tap disconnect. Once done, enable Do Not Disturb or the appropriate focus to suppress incoming call alerts. This prevents the phone from routing rings to your earbuds. Make sure call audio routing is set to speaker or automatic in accessibility so calls won't default to Airpods. These steps immediately halt ringing and set the state for deeper fixes, because the problem is often routing or notification settings, not hardware. Next, you'll address persistent causes. Check the Airpods firmware in Settings General about while they're connected and update the phone OS. Firmware mismatches can cause phantom rings. Then reset network settings and fully forget and repair the Airpods. This clears corrupted Bluetooth profiles. Make sure no third-party app or call forwarding rule is triggering tones. Review notification permissions, and call handling in contacts and phone settings. These steps fix deeper software-level routing and notification conflicts that recreate ringing. Finally, perform a factory reset on the Airpods. Put them in the case, hold the setup button until the LED flashes amber then white, and repair. Next, test with a different phone or tablet to determine whether the issue is the Airpods or the original device's settings. If the ringing persists after reset and cross-device testing, contact Apple support or an authorized service. They can check hardware, replace a defective earbud, or escalate firmware issues. One key tip: always test after each change so you know what fixed it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.